Okay, hello, good evening everyone. How are you? Hello Ken. Okay, 大家晚上好. Okay, CR Crest Candle, right? Airport Genting Plantation, United Plantation. Hello Ekatan, right? TCS, right? Okay, and US Magnificent. Is it the full name or the stock code? Is named Magnificent 7? Okay, 左先生, okay, Honda, Chengdu, Panda, SCG, Berhad, CMSB, okay, CMSB, okay, Yona Oma, okay, CCK, Perdana, Kobe, okay, Sunzen, WC, hello, Jordan, how are you? Review HSI, okay, hello, Anthony, okay, SMRT, FPI, CTOS, okay, welcome back. Okay, Su King, okay, Naeem, Notion, okay, bought at 76 and 48. Okay, Yong Eun, hello, how are you? Return, Red Seed, Dialogue, okay, Review PA, Gadang, okay, no problem. Okay, please help me to click like and share this video lah. So we have been away for about 2 weeks, so maybe some people already forgotten us lah. So please help us, okay, to share, okay, and click like, okay, share this video lah to your social media or your group chat. Okay, today content we will be the same. Okay, we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI, followed with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review. And okay, the stock's name, not the stock code, so that I can easier to find lah. Okay, and your plan, okay, whether you're looking for support resistance or you already EP at your average price. Okay, so that I can give a better view lah. Okay, CMSV, okay, today got high volume also. Okay, so disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, Dialogue, AJF Tech, SolarVest, no problem. Okay, so yep, let's warm up first. Warm up with the market outlook. Okay, so far, weekly point of view, US market is still quite bullish and they already reaching or touched 40K for Dow Jones. Okay, so far I still haven't see any reversal signal. Okay, based on the technical point of view. Okay, what I can say is overbought, but they can continue overbought. Okay, we still haven't see any sign of weakening for Dow Jones. S&P as well, also bullish. They already broke above 5,002. Okay, and yeah, so long the price above 5180, I would say they are still pretty bullish. And for Dow Jones is 39K. Okay, stay above is still bullish. Nasdaq at the moment, they have a minor resistance at 18.4K lah. Okay, for them to turn into bearish, they need to break below 17.8K. So otherwise, they might just go sideways. Okay, so far US side is still bullish until we see some signal lah. Okay, how about the HSI weekly point of view? They are still within the range. Okay, since mid or end of February until now, they are just trading within 16.2K to 17K. Okay, yet to break either way. Okay, but in my opinion, the chances of going up is there. Okay, as long as the closing price stay above 16.2K, and I think they will test 17K for multiple times lah, then only break up. And the chances for them to have a further upside, I think, is quite high lah. Okay, the chances is quite high. And how about the gold price? Okay, continue to spike out. Weekly point of view is very bullish. Okay, last week closing bullish above closing like 2233 lah. Okay, at the moment they are still looks like still want to go up further. Okay, so long the price above two 2200, I think gold price is still pretty bullish. Okay, and how about the oil price? Okay, oil price so far so good. Okay, last week closing consider bullish. And next strong resistance for them to break through is 83, 84. Okay, WTI. Once they can clear above 83, 84, they have more upside to maybe 88 or $93. Okay, oil is pretty bullish. Okay, then let me see. How about the cryptocurrency? Okay, cryptocurrency at the moment, okay, Bitcoin recover back above 68K, which is the 2021 all-time high. Okay, so resistant turn into support. So I will give them some buffer until 65K lah. So long the price above 65K, I will say they are still very bullish. Okay, probably they might just go sideways for the time being, but overall crypto market is still pretty bullish. And on the other hand, okay, Ethereum is more on neutral. I would say they might just go sideways. Okay, they might go up to test 3980, 4200, or yeah, if they can break above 4002, they will have more upside to previous all-time high, which is 4008. Otherwise, they might just go sideways like this lah. Okay. And lastly is our FBM KLCI. So far, our KLCI is still neutral. Okay, they are still within the zone now. Okay, 1525, 1560. Okay, they are still within this zone. So I would say, so long they are above 1525, should be still all right. Okay, market's still all right. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. So before we start, please help us, okay, to click like and share this video so that we can get more viewers to know we are back. Okay, so if you're yet to join my Telegram, you may also screenshot it now lah. Okay, let's see. Okay, CRES. Okay, hold on. Discounters. Crest candle. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, gap up. Review. Okay, so far they are still pretty bullish. Okay, this counter's been bullish since 2022, 2023 lah. Okay, this is more sideways. Their first spike was last year July. Another spike was last year November. Okay, then sideways recently got a gap up. Okay, they also break above 292. So if from here, what we can see since January until March, they have been in the zone. Okay, yesterday, okay, means last Friday lah. Okay, market open gap up, close high. Today another gap up, close high. So support, okay, resistance turn support, so which is 292. But for me, I would more prefer to see another gap support, which they have been gap up here, 282. Okay, so if they can stay above 292, I will say they will be very, very bullish. But below 292, still okay. Maybe they will come back to fill the gap. Okay, above 282, maybe still acceptable lah. Tapi if they go below 282, maybe short term not so strong. Okay, they may come back down to 260 or even lower. Okay, so far, based on today single candle, what we can see is a bit profit taking activities lah. So I expect they may have some retracement. Okay, to maybe to test a 3 ringgit or 292 level. Okay, stay above, I think is still okay lah. Okay, I will say people will start to take profit also lah. Okay, so far airport, wow, quite bullish keep going up one Okay, so back in mid March okay, they have been breaking above 2018 resistance, which is 940. So 940 resistance turn support. Okay, 940, maybe I'll give them some buffer until 929. Okay, so take note on the resistance turn support, which is a 930, 940. Okay, so long they are above 930, 940, I think they are still all right. Okay, at the moment, I think they will have some small profit taking activities. Market may come back down to test the support. Okay, how about the Genting Plantation? Genting Plantation is more on sideways. Okay, so long they are above 6 ringgit, I think should be all right lah. Okay, at least beginning of January, they already break above the 200 MAs. At the moment, they are more on sideways. So for resistance point of view, okay, why I put here previously? Okay, maybe I put lower 62565. Okay, and 1635 lah. Okay, and this was the 2022 September resistance. Okay, once they can clear 625, 635, should be all right. They will have more upside, probably to 7 ringgit level. Okay, but if they break below 6 ringgit, then not so nice lah, United Plantation. Let me see if I can find with this UTD plan. Yeah, okay. Lucky thing. Okay, so far they are still bullish. Okay, only short term they may have some retracement. Okay, as we can see, the MACD already crossover. And the price, okay, last week already like break below the 20 MA lah. So for short term point of view, they may have some retracement, okay, probably to test a 23 ringgit levels lah. Okay, TCS hold on let me see. TCS group in liquid counters pump and dump, pump and dump. Oh, be careful lah Okay, let me see. Okay, back in 26th of March, okay, they do have a high volume pump out. But what we can see on last Friday, okay, they also tested 205, unable to go through, some more with high volumes. Okay, based on what I see, is like more like a pump and dump. Okay, probably they might come back down to the support level. Okay, if you are interested, then you take note on 150 level lah. But for me, maybe I will temporarily stay away first. Okay, then only see how it's going on. For me, it's not really a good sign. Looks like lah. Okay, it looks like they just pump out for the sake to sell at the 200 mAs level lor. Okay, so this one I think it's better for us to stay away first this one. Let me see if I can find these counters. Magnificent 7. This is a ETF. Yeah, I'm not sure is it these counters. Can you confirm for me? Later I will review back. Yeah, because for US, the counters are not so familiar. Okay, let me know if these counters, okay, this ETF, $39. Okay, we skip for the next one first. Honda, which is NDAL. Okay, pump dump. Review Honda. Okay, this one for me nothing much. Okay, MACD is still alright. Okay, today price session is more on the open gap up, push up, and by end of day they gonna sell down. Okay, looks like some a bit like a trap lah. Okay, like this. Okay, they also open gap up, push up. By end of day they gonna price down, then they sell down. So for me, maybe we stay in monitor first lah. Okay, monitor this counter first lah. For me, it's not really worth to risk your money lah. Okay, and also the price is also below 200 MAs, and yeah, within these few months, they already happened so many times. Pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump. Okay, today looks also like a pump and dump. So maybe stay away. We see how it's going first lah. Okay, Chengdu. Okay, Chengdu, on the other hand, I think the chances is still there. Okay, they do have a high volume on 21st of March. And then for the past few days, they are more on sideways lah. Okay, diam-diam saja. Okay, so far the price is still supported by 30 cents. Okay, MACD point of view, they do have a mini, I would say a mini divergence lah. Okay, so this one goes sideways, tapi ini ada go up. Okay, so the chances for them to bounce up is there. Okay, as they have a huge volume in 21st of March. The only thing is they are unable to go through 31 cents. Okay, they tested on 21st and also they tested on 26th of March. Okay, also unable to break through. So I would say so long they are above 30 cents, I think the chances is still there. So pending for the break and close above 31 cents, then you can see 33, 34 cents lah. Okay, which is near the 200 MAs. Okay, how about the Panda? Oh, Panda new counters. Okay, Kung Fu Panda, this one. Okay, still okay lah, Okay, so they do have a breakout on 21st of March. Then they retest. So far supported by 265. Okay, the only thing is approaching IPO first day resistant 30 cents only lah. Okay, structure point of view, I think it's still alright, so long they are above 265. Okay, but take note lah, okay, somehow they also need to respect the 30 cents level. Okay, above 265, the overall structure is still okay. Below 265, then not so nice lah. Okay, how about the SCG Berhad? Okay, high volume breakout above 520. Okay, so what we can see if we zoom out the chart, okay, this is back in 2021, 2021, 2021. Okay, this is 2021 resistant. Okay, so maybe we see where's it 545, which is close by lah. I think it's quite easy to hit lah. Okay, the most important one I think is here 580, which is the strong rejection back in 2021 February. Okay, so we scroll back. Okay, and what we can see here. Okay, even though on 28th of February they have a strong rejection, but the price managed to recover back. So we can use a 520 as our immediate support. Okay, stay above 520, I think it's still all right. And their immediate resistance 545. Okay, once they can clear, then you see until ultimately, okay, we see until 580 lah. Okay, so this is a SCG. How about the CMSB? High volume today. Okay, CMSB. Okay, previously they do break below 955 lah, which is quite ugly lah. Okay, until today they have a high volume breakout from the bottom. Okay, and the MACD I think is still acceptable. So let me see on the smaller time frame anything we need to take note. Okay, especially the second half lah. Okay, I would say second half they have more volume to pump in. Then after that, market more on cool down already. Okay, so only 230, 245, they have more volumes. Okay, then on average, they have much struggle at 102. Okay, overall, I think the closing price is still all right. Probably I will put somewhere around 985. Okay, so yeah, 985. Yep. Okay, so long the price above 985, 980 like that, I think the rebound is still valid. Okay, tapi if they are unable to stay above 980, I think they might go back to 955 or even lower. Okay, so hopefully tomorrow the price can sustain, stay above 980, then okay. Then you can see the next resistance already lah. Okay, 107, 106, which is a 200 MAs. Okay, even they can clear, I also doubt that they can make a reversal yet lah. Okay, at the moment is like a rebound. Macam ini they rebound, kena rejected, rebound, kena rejected, rebound. We need to see here lah. Okay, if they can clear 106, you only can see 115, 117. Otherwise, if they are unable to clear above 106, they might continue sell down. Okay, because this counters is still below 200 MAs. Okay, rebound opportunity is there lah. Okay, just I think more suitable for the short term trade. Okay, review CCK, Perdana, and Kobe. Okay, CCK so far so good. Okay, they come back to retest 1 ringgit and also is the 20 MA. So far is still supported. Okay, so long above 1 ringgit or we give them some buffer until 990 lah. Okay, so long they are above 990, I think it's still alright. Okay, just a bit boring lah. You will see the movement not so much. Okay, but overall they are still in the uptrending mode. Okay, so above 990, I think it's still alright. Okay, how about the Perdana? Okay, Perdana today looks like some profit taking activities. Okay, why I put 330 330. Okay, what we can see here, this was the 2019 support and a 2020 March gap down resistance. Okay, so they gap down from 330 all the way to 240. So what we can see here, okay, indeed, they today got the open gap up, but the closing price is close below 320. So for me, it's not so nice lah. Some more with huge volumes. So in my opinion, is today with some profit taking activities, I expect they might come back down to retest a support. Okay, probably 30 cents or 280 level lah. Okay, and they've been up for so many days also already. So I expect they may come back to test a support here or here. Okay, so how about the Kobe? Okay, Kobe. Okay. If based on my trip plan, Kobe already hit my target already lah. Okay, my target would be somewhere around 165 lah. Okay, which is the 200 MAs. So at the moment, what we can see last week they reclaim back. Okay, above the 200 MAs, but today macam go back below 200 MAs lah. Okay, which is below 165. So maybe I give them buffer until 160 lah. Above 160, maybe it's still alright. Maybe you can say it's a breakout 200 MAs. retest 200 MAs. Tapi if they go below 160, means this is a forced breakout. Market may go back down to 150 or 140 levels. Okay, Shenzhen WC, we need to see the mother first lah. Okay, mother still good lah. Still supported by 20 MA. Okay, the only thing is a bit struggle at 340. How about the Sun? Sun is still okay. Okay, tapi these counters you need to be careful sikit lah ha. They come fast and also they can hilang very fast. Okay, take note on their hard resistant 150. Hello Jordan. Okay, cover already HSI, SMRT. Tak berapa boleh SMRT. Okay, previously they have a good bounce out back in February. Okay, bounce to 980, then fail already. Okay, another bounce on beginning of March. Tapi the bounce also not much strength. And what we can see last Wednesday, they break below 200 MAs. And yeah, retest a resistance, fail. Today continue sell down. So for me, they already broke below 860, which is not a good sign for the SMRT. So support resistance. Okay, resistance definitely is a 860. And support, the next one could be somewhere around 740, somewhere like that, somewhere here. So what we can see the trend for SMRT, this still in the uptrend, right? But here, what we can see, they are like going down. Oh, so I think they might just go down like that lah. Okay, unless they have a strong price action, recover back above 860, then okay, maybe got chance to go up again. Or tapi the MACD, sorry, the moving averages point of view, you can see 20 already crossed 50, 100, and 50 already crossed 100. Means short term, mid term, this is weak. And recently they break below 200 MAs, also means long term is turning weak. Okay, so these counters, I guess they might go to 70 cents plus minus level already. Okay, so next one is a FPI. SMRT turning weak. So be careful sikit. Okay, FPI so far so good, supported by the 20 MA and bounce up. Okay, so take note on the next resistance, which is the gap. Okay, gap down back in last year February lah. Okay, 321. Okay, 321 is a gap resistant. Okay, take note on this level. Your EP is a 304, so you are still in a good profit lah at the moment. So yeah, take note on 321 is your immediate resistance. Okay, if they can clear, next stronger one is a 345. Wow, they like the number 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next one is a CTOS. Okay, let me see. Okay, R1, R2, EP127. Okay, good profit now. Okay, S1, S2. Okay, at the moment, what we can see for CTOS is before they gap down, the gap is the closing price is somewhere around 145. So this would be your R2. Okay, and your R1 is a gap down level. Okay, the opening price 140. So 140, 145 is your R1, R2. Okay, and for the support, probably we can use here 134. Okay, so yeah, take note on 140, 145 is your R1, R2 lah. Okay, Naim. Okay. Naim, Naim. 760. Wow, good level. Okay. Bought at very good level, which is a strong support, 760. Wow, you earn already lah. Okay, so take note. At the moment, they are at one of the resistance, which is 880. So you can consider to release some lah. Okay. On average, they do resisted by the 880 level, right? Tested multiple times. Yeah, on the lucky day, if they can overshoot a bit more lah, probably you can see until 910 and maximum, okay, I see somewhere around 960 lah. which is last year September resistance. So in my opinion, today the closing is still quite strong. So yeah, maybe you can take note on 915 like that lah. Okay, 915 like that. Sorry, 910. Sorry, 910. Okay, take note on 910, which is your next resistance. Okay, so yeah, no harm to take partial unless you want to fight. Then you use a 850 as your trading stop. Meaning so long the price above 850, you do nothing lah. You just enjoy the ride. Okay, how about the Notion? Okay, my 在 480 Okay, Notion on the other hand a little bit weak. Okay, as the MACD already crossed down. Okay, today got some rescue team lah. Okay, the only thing is a lack of volumes when they pump up. Okay, but still okay since your EP is 480. Okay lah, lose one bit only. Okay, most importantly, okay, Notion cannot break below 430 lah. Below 430, memang not nice already. Okay, tapi if they go up, what I see is probably 550 cents or 510 level. Okay, for me, they are turning a bit weak. Okay, as you can see, the highs is getting slightly lower. Okay, recently break below 20 MA. Okay, someone have a strong sell. Okay, and today they push up, but the volume okay only. Okay, the volume okay only. So if they can push up, okay, to maybe your entry or higher than your entry, you can consider to release some lah. Okay, in my opinion, it's not so strong. Okay, unless they can recover back above 510, then okay, different story. Okay, how about the return? Okay, return is more on sideways. Short term a bit weak as they below 20 MA. Okay, MACD also crossed down lah. Okay, most importantly, return 955 must hold. Okay, if below 955, no game. Okay, stay above 955, still got some hope lah. Okay, how about the receipt? Receipt, macam people start to take profit already lah. Okay, previously back in beginning of March, they do push up quite a lot with a strong sell on 27th of March. Okay, on Friday, okay, hammer appeared at 120. Today neutral lah, nothing much. So what we can see on Friday, they do test until 109 level lah. Okay, they do bounce from 109, closing above 120. Okay, today closing price is 121. Okay, take note on the next few days. Okay, so long the price, I would say, yeah, maybe I put here 116. Okay, so long the price above 116, I think is still okay. Tapi if they go below 116, most likely they already give out lah. Okay, and this one they already push up so much lah. Okay, somebody take profit. Okay, okay, bounce out on Friday. Today neutral, so I expect they might just go sideways like that. Maybe we'll have some bounce for you to escape lah. Okay, tapi if they go below, memang not nice already. 109 is their last defense already. Okay, review PA. Sorry. PA. PA, they have been this zone for quite long, since mid-February until now. Okay, so yeah, even though previously they do break below 340 lah, but the next day they managed to recover back. Okay, so at the moment, I think, yeah, take note on 340, 330 level lah. Okay, I would say, yeah, technical point of view, a little bit divergence. Okay, tapi confirmation is a 330, 340. Okay, stay above is still alright. Go below, then not so nice. Below 330, not nice already. Stay above is still okay. But for me, I feel they are a little bit weak. Okay, but confirmation is breakdown lah. Okay, how about the dialogue? Okay, dialogue EP. Okay, a strong sell on 29th of February, but the price able to recover back. Okay, so what we can see here, dialogue. Okay, they have been keep resisted by 230 multiple times, and today they do have a break above 230, closing price 232. So you can trade this as a breakup trade lah. Okay, although the volume okay only, not much lah. Okay, but if you're interested, you can take note on 230 as your immediate support. and no game if they go below 225. Okay, below 225, the breakout consider fail. Okay, they may go back down to 218 or 208 level. Okay, this is a dialogue. Gadang. Okay, Gadang is still strong. A good pump, a good breakout on. Okay, good breakout on. Let me delete too many lines here already. Okay, a good breakout on 22nd of March. Then market spike out lah until today. So at the moment they are like struggling at the 435 level, which is the 2022 resistant and also is a 2021 resistant. Okay, at the moment what I see is they are like at the resistance zone lah. Okay, 2021 March, 2021 April. You can see the resistance zone here. Here also 2020, 2020 resistant. Okay, somewhere around 435, 450. Okay, tapi they are still bullish lah. They are still bullish. So maybe we can put a lines here lah. 420. Stay above 420. I think they still got chance to break above 450. Tapi if they close below 420, maybe they might revisit 40 cents level. Okay, this is a Gadang. Dialogue covered, so we go for the JF tag. JF tag, the double bottom fill. Okay, previously what we can see a mini double bottom lah, breakout. Tapi they already hit my stop loss already. Okay, so for me it's not so nice. Okay, at the moment they are trying to supported by the 90 cents level and 890 90 cents level. Okay, this is their last hope already. Although I already stopped out. Okay, 10 on 890. Okay, if they break below 890, they may go back down to 835 level. So they will form a maybe they will form a potential triple bottom. Okay. So if this level can hold, maybe still got a chance to go back above on 940. Okay. So last chance 890. Okay, how about the Solarvest? Okay, SolarVest so far so good. Okay, even though the price looks like quite boring. Okay, if you compare to mid February until now, okay, you can see the price is like okay, not much changes. Like from 147 until 158. Okay, not much changes, but they are still alright. So far, they are still supported by the 20 MA. So if you zoom out, take note on the next resistance, which is the 2021 April resistance 162. Okay, 4 more bit lah. Today closing is about 158. Okay, so far they are still all right. Okay, and yeah, I think it's still okay lah. So long they are above 148, 147, they are still all right. Okay, EMCC and SciPark. Wow, this one fantastic. Okay, they do have a good breakout on the 21st of March. Then they retrace today and the pump out. Volume slight improve. So I think it's still good lah. So maybe technical point of view, we can say this is a flat or pennant lah. Okay, flat or pennant breakout. So meaning the formation so long they are above 50 cents, the breakout is still valid. Okay, if we base on the flat or pennant pattern breakout, let me see. I can do some price projection. If based on here, they have a breakout somewhere around 555 lah. Should be lah, technical point of view. Okay, if we base on the flat or pennant breakout, okay, the next target is somewhere around 555 lah. Okay, tapi if go below 50 cents, fail already. Okay, so next one is SciPark. SciPark, okay, they yet to hit my stop loss. Okay, they do have a good volume breakout on 22nd of March, and the remaining days is more on sideways lah, nothing much. So what we can see on the SciPark structure is like they've been downtrend, breakout above the uptrend channel, downtrend channel resistant. So now it's more on stabilized lah. So maybe we can say so long the price above 880, I think still okay. But based on these few days of performance, it's more like some profit-taking activities, especially to this candle, high volume like that. Macam not so nice. Tapi they yet to break below. So yeah, we need a confirmation to judge. Okay, so maybe let them play around first. So long they're above 880, I think it's still alright. Okay, next one. Okay, TRC synergy potential. For potential, I think you want a potential support lah. Okay, TRC more on sideways lah at the moment. Okay, MACD started to cross over, so I think it's still alright. Okay, 20 cross below 50. So this one a bit weak, tapi you could still can see lah. Okay, their immediate support is a 455. Their strong support is a 425. Okay, for the time being, I think they might just go sideways dulu. So you can split entry or you can wait lah. Okay, so I think they might just go sideways dulu. Okay, so yeah, immediate support 455, strong support 425. Okay, how about the synergy, right? Okay, Malaysia. This one turning weak. Okay, MACD is still crossing down. Okay, it's still below zero center line and they yet to cross over. So for me, they are like not as strong as TRC lah, in my opinion. And the price recently break below 2050 MA and also 20 cross below 50 lah. So for me, it's not that strong already. But if you are interested, take note on 775 is your immediate support. Okay, tapi if this level also unable to hold, they might go to 710 level. Okay, this is a synergy. I think yeah, I guess they might have some correction or sideway whatever first lah. So this one not so hurry lah. Okay, dialogue JF Tech Solarvest cover ready. Okay, CMSB cover ready. Trading stock for Econ Berhad and Simprop. Econ Berhad a bit profit taking also pump up. Okay, if you want the trading stock 480 lah, or if the price below 480 I think not so nice they may go to 40 cents level or they will even come back to fill the gap. Okay, this one can delete already. So what we can see, okay, back in 26, 27, 29, and even 1st of April, they also have a huge volumes. Okay, trading volumes, you can see. Okay, accumulated here. Okay, tapi if they go below, means whoever bought here maybe is a seller lah. Okay, high volume as well. Okay, if go below 480, memang not so nice already. So you can use 480 as your last defense, okay, to protect your profit lah. If the closing price is like 475 470 I think better protect lah. Okay, Simprop today got a shooting star appeared. Okay, you can see they push up all the way to 960. By end of day, they press down, closing price 930. So for me, it's more like profit taking activities as well. So if you want a trading stop, probably you can take note on here. They have a gap up on 25th of March. Then market sideways supported. Okay, so 885, 895 is the support. And based on today candle, I expect they may come back down to Tesla. Okay, if they can get supported, maybe the game is still on. Tapi if they break below, then not so nice lah. They may come back down to test the 20 MA levels. Okay, review VS Capital A Saipak. Saipak cover already. We go for VS first. Okay, VS last Friday, a good breakout above 840, 860. Okay, so yeah, this was a support. Breakdown, turn into resistance, and currently break. Okay, recover back above 840, 860 lah. So for VS, okay, take note, so long the price above 840, we can say the breakout is still valid. Okay, and their next resistance 910. 910, then 1 ringgit. So technical point of view, the momentum I think is still fine lah. So long the closing price above 840, I think it's still okay for VS. Okay, how about the capital A? Okay, capital A is more on, still acceptable. Okay, at least the price is above 2050 MA. Okay, so they also didn't really break below 675. So I think it's still fine. And support, maybe I put 70 cents lah. Okay. So long above 70 cents, I think they do have some potential. But for capital A, they need to break through 735. Okay, they need to break through 735. Only got chance to challenge 80 cents level. Otherwise, they may continue sideways lah. Oh. Okay, Saipak covered already. Hello, Ruku. Okay, comment on IWCT. Oh, now let me see. TP level, R1, R2 level. Okay, so IWCT at the moment they are at one of the resistance, which is a 850. Okay, this is a minor resistance, and the next resistance is a 915. So you can take note 850, 915, and ultimately is 1 ringgit. Okay, at the moment I still doubt they can go 1 ringgit lah. Okay, I will see maximum 915 first. Okay, Uchi Tech. Okay, Uchi Tech, at least they recover back with 385 MACD crossover. So take note on 385. Okay, so long the closing price above 385, they are still fine. Okay, tapi if they close below 385, memang not so nice lah. Okay, Sunway TP. Okay, if you're looking for TP, I at least need to know your average price lah. Huh? So I can give a better views. Okay, Sunway, wow, they memang quite far away from the uh 20 MA lah. Okay, I would say they are quite overbought. So maybe I will put 340. Okay, take note on 340 this level. So long the price above 340, I think it's still fine. And yeah, maybe need to use the Fibonacci. Fibonacci already hit 344, 445, too far already. Let me see. Too far already lah. Not so realistic. Okay, so for me, take note on your resistance 355 and 340. Okay, if they can break above 355, yeah, you can see 360 370, 380. Tapi if they break below 340, maybe you can start to protect your profit. I feel they are a little bit topish lah. Okay, sooner or later they might come back to test a 20 MA level. Okay, so how about the Suncon? Suncon no EP yet lah. Okay, ideally is to wait them to fill the gap, okay, or retest the support 272. Okay, so yeah, it's better we wait for them to revisit support, which is a 280 or 272 level. Okay, we got a Langley behind you. Happy April Fool. Okay, hello Nick. Okay, share EP for an SNS. SNS. Okay. Penny counters, be careful also, Okay, so far the breakout all volume structure is still healthy lah, We can see since 20th of March until now, they do have a good volume pump in. Okay, even today also got a good volume pump out. So for these counters, you can see 270, 280 was a resistance. Okay, currently turned into support. Meaning, so long the closing price stay above 270, I think it's still fine. Okay, so and the next resistance 310 lah, which is a extreme level back in September 22. Okay, go below 270 memang not nice. Stay above is still okay. So you can see lah, if they can come back down to 280 275 you can consider lah. Okay, with your cut loss below 270. Okay, EDEL. Okay, so far still alright. Okay, if you're looking for potential support, okay, today a bit struggle here. Okay, if happen, they can revisit. Okay, retest support lah, 360, 365, we can consider lah. If they retest a 360 level, maybe you can KIV. And take note on the hard resistance, 415. EPCon. Epicon is more on sideways. Ideal level would be somewhere around 415 and 40 cents level. Okay, so CRES and this one, this one not yet lah, as the price is too far away. So I think it's better wait for them to maybe fill the gap. Okay, somewhere around 280, 282 only consider. Okay, EDA, cover already. So far I think they are still alright lah. Okay, the structure momentum all is still healthy. So long they are above 360, I think they are still okay lah. 360, 355, I think is still okay. Surya. This one macam sendiri jalan tapi they are still in the uptrending lah. You can see since 2022 December until now they are still in the uptrending mode. If we zoom out further, yeah, since 2014 they have been downtrend until 2022, okay, or end of 2021 lah, okay, and since then they recover, okay. So this counters from a downtrend turn into uptrend now, okay. So I would say they are still alright at the moment. And VS cover, EPCon cover, DRB Highcom lah. Okay, DRB, what we can see here. This I think I shared on my YouTube before, right? Last week. So what we can see, DRB has been sideways. Okay, then they form a mini double bottom lah. Okay, this is not so important. Okay, most important is to last week, okay, they finally break above 146, okay, which is a hard resistance back then. Okay, you can see they tested so many times since last year September. Okay, finally breakthrough. So meaning when they retest, okay, they can stay above, I think it's still okay. But I will give them some buffer lah, okay, maybe to 144. Okay, so long the price above 144, I think it's still okay. The breakout is still valid. And the next resistance, 156, 161. Take note 161 due to the gap down, okay, back in last year, February. Okay, 161 to 166. Okay, so far I would say so long the closing price above 144, they are still okay. Help tech lah, I think, right? Help tech. I put wrong. Help tech. Okay, HelpTech today ada volumes. So what we can see, okay, even last week they have a pump out and kena wash down. Friday managed to recover back above 380. Today higher volume to push out. So we can see on these few days, okay, the average volumes improve. So I think it's still fine. And price above 20, 50 and 200 MAs. And today breakthrough 100 MAs. So I think short-term momentum, yeah, still favor to the bull lah. Okay, tapi take note on your immediate resistance 415 lah. Okay, if they can clear 415, then you take note on 440, then 465. Okay, 415, 440, 465. Perdana cover ready. Time.com. Okay, so we go for the time. Okay, time so far still diam-diam, tapi the good sign is they are above 200 MAs. Okay, so I guess this is their pattern. Okay, if we look back, sometimes they can sideways for many months. Okay, tapi on average, they are still in the uptrending mode. Okay, so even though last year they have a break below 200 MAs, they still managed to recover back. Okay, at the moment, what we can see is long term they are still okay, tapi short term slightly weak. So I guess they might just go sideways sekejap lah. Okay, so above 5 ringgit, I think it's still good lah. Okay, overall. Oh, tapi you need some patience lah. JF Tech cover already. We go for the Shang. Okay, Shang is still not so good lah. Okay, breakdown on 29th of February with huge volumes. Okay, here also macam struggle. Okay, if we see these few days or these few weeks performance, they macam not really able to go through 209. Okay, even though today got volume pump out lah, tapi you can see the candle is like not so strong. Macam kena pressure down lah. So I think I would say Shang is not that strong yet until they can recover back. Okay, closing price above 209. Okay, meaning the closing price must be 210 and 210 like that lah. Okay, only got hope. Okay, only got hope to fill the gap, maybe 218 level lah. Otherwise, these counters I would say they are still weak. Okay, so EP either you wait at 19 something or wait for the recover back above 210, then you only consider lah. Okay, evaluate HSS EB. Two oh one nine resistant 116. So what we can see here, January, March. Okay, resistant, okay, macam a little bit resisted at the 116 level lah. Okay, tapi trend point of view, they are still uptrending, they are still bullish. Okay, even the 20 MA also cross above 50 MA. So in my opinion, they are still strong. Okay, just that currently they face some resistance. Okay, probably they might come back to retest support, maybe 110 107. Okay, so stay above, I think is still alright lah. Okay, still okay. Just maybe they will like hit here, come back sideways, hit here, come back sideways. Okay, tapi is still still okay lah. Okay, still okay. Yeah, still okay. DPS. For EP. Let me see. Okay. This one a bit in liquid counters. So turn on the resistance here because they have a gap down. Then volume recover, I think just okay only these counters. Okay, most importantly, cannot go below 460 lah. Below 460 memang not nice already. But for me, I'm not so interested lah. I will feel the success rate would be lower. Tapi if you're interested, take note on 480 would be your immediate support. Okay, cut loss if they go below 460. Okay, DRB Highcom cover already. Leon FM. Leo F. Got discounters. I think it's a not Leo FB meh. Leon FM. Yeah, don't have discounters Not Leo FB. Okay. Yeah. Please rewrite the name. Rewrite the name. I unable to find discounters. Okay, review MRCB. Okay, MRCB break up above 650. So closing price 660. So wait for them to retest lah. Okay, probably I'll put here 635. Okay, 60 cents crossover. Okay, since we can see back in 2019, there was a support turn resistance, and currently the price already recovered back above the resistance. So take note on 635, stay above. I think it's still all right. Okay, tapi here also got some resistance. Oh, sorry, here 680. So I guess market a bit overbought. They might come back to retest the support. Netgate, Panda, and PPHP. Netgate, Panda covered already. Netgate, I think back in 27th of March, they do have a huge selling pressure lah. Okay, I would say selling pressure at the resistance. So I guess they may come back down to test either 147 or 140 level. So maybe you can wait somewhere around there. Okay, PPHB. PPHB still going up. Okay, I think the support maybe we can see is a 760 level. Okay, Magnificent 7 stocks, Nvidia, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, Apple, Tesla. Okay, a quick one. Nvidia and NVDA. Okay, NVDA at the moment they are still above the 20 MA, still pretty strong. So take note on 890. Stay above is still alright. But if they break below 890, maybe they may come back to fill the gap somewhere around 821. Okay, technical point of view, the MACD already crossover lah. A bit topish now. So yeah, take note. Don't overly bullish on them lah at the moment. What I see here. A bit topish lah. Okay, Meta. Yeah, here also already crossover. And they already tested the top twice already. 500. Sorry, 515. Okay, 515. And the price already below the 20 MA lah, in my opinion. Okay, so I guess they may have some correction, maybe to test a 453 level. Okay, Meta, Amazon. Let me see. Okay, Amazon on the other hand, they are still above 20 MA. Okay, only the MACD looks not so strong only lah. Tapi they are still above 20 MA. Okay, it is much stronger than Meta lah. Okay, in my opinion. So turn on the next resistance 185, and so long they are above 175, I think it's still alright. Okay, Microsoft. Okay. Yeah, all also have the divergence, bearish divergence, but they yet to break down. Okay, so we cannot say no good yet lah. Okay, so this one still above 20 MA. Seems like they are more prefer 50 MA lah. So take note on 410. Okay, stay above 410. I think is still okay. Google. Sorry. I would say Alpha, but yep. Okay, Google. Previously they have a gap down. Okay, and recently they come back to fill the gap lah. Okay, 151 level. Let me see. Momentum all is still fine. Okay, so this would be their gap support lah, 143. So for further bull, they need to break above 151 and 153. Okay, once they can clear, they will have more upside. Otherwise, this could be their resistance zone as well. Okay, if they are unable to go through 153, they may come back down to fill the gap, which is somewhere around 143. Okay, Google, Apple, AAPL, APPL, AAPL. Okay, Apple is in the downtrend already. They below the 200 MAs, they below 180. And yeah, the trend is more on downtrend in my opinion. So take note on 170, maybe 169. Okay, 169. If they break below 169, they will have more downside, probably to 155 level. Okay, Apple not so strong. TSLA. Tesla, I think also not so. Tesla, I think also not so strong. Yeah, Tesla also in the downtrending channel. Okay, recently just bounced from 160, tapi you can see once they bounce from 160, macam also no strength already. So I guess they might go back to 160 level and continue sideways. So in my opinion, Tesla not that strong. Okay, next one is Axiata. Okay, Axiata, they are still in a sideways. Support 258, 265. Resistance 280, 288. Okay, so I guess they might just go sideways at the moment. Okay, so yeah, I guess they might just go sideways. So long the price above 258, I think it's still alright. DHK. Oh, nah. DCHK. Okay, yeah, potentially bottom fishing lah. Okay, potential bottom fishing. High volume sell down on 27, 28 of February. another high volume pump out on 25th of March. And also last Friday, they do have a slight volumes pump out. So I guess they do have intention to push out further lah. Okay, take note on the support turn resistance, which is about 310. Okay, so long the price above 255, I think it's still all right. Okay, they do have potential to bounce up further. Okay, take note on the hard resistance somewhere around 310. Okay, momentum and volume point of view, I think it's still fine. Okay, still favor to some bottom fishing opportunity lah. Okay, EIB. Okay, Friday today got volumes. Okay, previously back in mid March, they do have attempt to pump up and wash down with low volume, and these 2 days they do pump up with volumes. So think on 370 lah, huh? Stay above 370, I think still alright lah. Okay, tapi this one is quite volatile lah, huh? These counters. Yeah, Axiata cover already. My news. My news pump out to sell on 26th of March, and these few days more on neutral lah. So yeah, when they pump out, they also go back to the last year October resistance, okay, 575, okay, which was a support turn resistance. Okay, also is a gap down resistant, okay, gap resistant. Okay, this time also they retest again, tapi macam not really able to go up further. So I guess they may come back down to fill the gap, probably to a 520 level. Okay. On overall structure point of view, I think my news is okay lah. Just a bit boring only lah. Oh, I guess they may come back down to test a 520. So long above 50 cents, I think okay. Okay, Takafu is not sorry. Takafu is not so strong. They have a strong sell previously lah. Okay, and the price is below 2050 and 100 MAs, means short term, mid term not that strong. And recently bounced from 200 MAs, okay, means long term is still acceptable. Okay, but for me, short term starting to turn weak lah. Okay, so take note on the support 350. Okay, 350. Stay above, I think, is still alright for long term point of view. Okay, let me see. Success. Wah, memang success ah. Okay, today high volume pump up. Okay, they already break above since 2021 resistance. Okay, yeah, 2021 December resistance. Okay, 755, 785. Today closing price 835. High volumes. Okay, so long the price retrace stay above 755. Okay, I think it's still alright. Okay, immediate support I would say 785 lah. Okay, let me see 15-minute charts. 4 p.m. Okay, last hour 1 hour they have a high volume pump out. So the support should be stand at 795 lah. Okay, so long the closing price above 795, I think it's still good. Okay, still okay. Okay, JFT dialogue. Solarvest cover already. Okay, we need to skip lah. Otherwise, we will overtime a lot. Okay, how about Inta? Uh, Inta. Okay, they break above 2020 September resistance. Okay, so far they are still supported by 335. Okay, take note on your support 335, or maybe we can say 330 lah. Huh? Stay above 330, I think they are still okay lah. Okay, if fail to hold, they may go back down to 30 cents level. Optimax. Okay, Optimax last Friday, high volume pump out, break above 200 MAs. And today another pump to hit 695. Okay, so they already hit R1 already lah. And their R2 is 710. Okay, so 695, 710, 735 is your R1, R2, R3. Okay, SCG Berhad cover already, DC Healthcare cover already, CKD. Okay, to EP. Okay, for me, this counter is quite illiquid lah. Okay, not so interesting. Okay, so if you still die must see, die must buy, then you turn on your immediate support lah, huh? 480. Okay, below 450 memang not nice already, ah. Help tech cover already, ah. Help tech. Okay, YTL. Okay, YTL still in the uptrending mode, so I guess yeah, the bull is still there. Okay, only they have some divergence. Okay, they have some bearish divergence, but yet to break below important level like maybe 240 lah. Huh? They so long the price above 240, the overall structure is still good. Okay, at the moment maybe you can put 250 as a warning lah. Okay, so below 250, maybe you need to do something already, and 240 is not really a good sign lah if they go below. Okay, so yeah, they are still above 20 MA. So I guess short-term momentum is still good. Tapi they have shown some bearish divergence. Okay, I need a confirmation only lah. Okay, for YTL Power is more on sideways now. So we can see since January until now, they are just trading within the range, like from 350 until 420. Okay, tapi if we compare to previous trend, they are like turning a bit weaker as the high is getting slightly lower. Okay, a bit weaker lah. So just take note. Okay, if below to 350, memang no good already, ah. MCE. Okay, MCE also have some divergence. Bearish divergence are not really a good sign. Okay, take note on 488 is your immediate support. Okay, if they break below, then 460 is your last defense already. Okay. Have that cover already. Volcano. Volcano is a super penny counters. Okay, high volume on 26 and also today. So potential rebound, yes. Tapi this counter is a downtrending counter, so just a short-term trade, then okay lah. Huh? Short-term trade, okay. If you're interested, take note on the resistance, which is a 20 MA, 615, and the gap to fill, okay, probably 645 lah. So what I see maximum is just a rebound to test a 20 or 50 MA. Okay, as you can see, back then they also test 2050, then continue sell down. So I would say just a short-term trade, okay. Okay, so maybe you can see somewhere around 560, 555 with your cut loss below 530. Okay, high risk, huh? Okay, PPH we cover already. We go for the MNH holding HDL. Okay, this one evaluate. Okay, a bit weak for short term. Here also getting, they do have some bearish divergence already. Okay, these counters I think okay they are still in the uptrend. Okay, if you see the trend is still okay. Just short term they are turning weak. I guess they might come back down to test a support somewhere around 60 cents or 580 level. Punchak. Punchak bounce from 200 MAs, recover back above 360. So far, I think it's still alright for Punchak. Okay, so long they are above 360, I think short-term momentum is still alright. So you can consider somewhere in between 370, 360. Okay, you can see there lah. Okay, how about the Velesto? Okay, Velisto is slow lah, It's slow. Tapi they are still in the uptrending mode. Okay, so long the price above 270, I think it's still okay. And turn on the next resistance 320. Okay, 320 is a gap resistance. Okay, hibiscus Okay, hibiscus are a bit boring, tapi they are still okay lah, Palm out. Okay, not really jalan much. Okay, if you are interested, you can take note when they retest somewhere around 253, 252 lah. Okay, so how about GCB? This one is a Coco grilled chicken burger. Okay, they are still very bullish. Okay, they recently break many resistance 213 230 244 also break, and today closing price 251. Okay, if you are just okay TP for GCP. Okay, if you're looking for TP level, congratulations, they already hit all my resistance. So yeah, if for me I early sell most of the counters most of the stocks already. Okay, so we still can refer back lah. 259. Yeah, and most importantly, yeah, I'm not sure whether they can achieve this level or not lah. 267. Okay, because here got multiple resistance here. 267, 270 no lah. When everyone see 270, maybe I see 267 lah. Okay, take note on these two level 259, 267, and maybe you need a trading stop. Okay, let me see here. Okay, 243. Okay, so long the price above 243, I think it's still alright. Tapi if they close below 243, memang maybe not so nice. They may come back down to 230 or even lower. Okay, hold on. Let me scroll down and see. Oh, still got many. Don't add already. Franken still healthy. Okay, no problem. QES. Okay, BDB. 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 MACD crossover already. I feel the pump is over lah. Especially they have a high volume. So at here. Okay, so for me, not that strong. But if you're still interested to see, take note on 350 level lah. Okay, for me it's more on I feel lah. I feel some of them, most of them already take profit caput already. Okay, OFI. If you're looking for EP at this level, a bit dangerous. Okay, wait for them to retest 203 or 2 ringgit level. KGB. KGB hit resistance 275. Okay, I'm not sure why I put here. Should be using the Fibonacci. Okay, they already hit. So I guess they may come back to test the support 260, 250 level. Okay, LBS. Okay, LBS is still above 20 MA. Okay, so far so good. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, just review, right? So let me see. Still okay lah. The trend is still okay. So maybe, yeah. So long they are above 70 cents, I think it's still good. Okay, discounters. PWF. PWF. Okay, recently they do have a sell down sideways. Today got some volume pump up. So I guess they do have some potential lah. Okay, they do have some potential. Okay, so long the closing price stay above 850, I think it's still alright. Okay, if happen retrace, got chance to get at 875 870 you can see lah. CapNet. Let me see. This one quite illiquid in my opinion. Okay, if you're still interested, you need to make sure the closing price is above 280. Tapi if they can go up further, I think it's also 320 level lah. 2021. And also recently you can see back in January, they also pump out to 320 only. So only less than 10% upside. I'm not sure. I feel not really worth the risk lah. Tapi if you're interested, take note on the resistance 320 and support 280. Genting. Genting let me see Genting a bit weak you can see they do have divergence when the price go up, the MACD is going down. Okay, so in my opinion, it's not that strong and recently break below 2050 MA already. So ideal level, okay, at least for me at least somewhere around 455 like that. Okay, EA Tech, EP EA Tech today not so strong even though they attempt to push up Tapi macam they face some resistance at 340 level. So yeah, wait for them to retest 305, 310, then you can KIV lah. Okay, RHB. Okay, RHB so far so good. Okay, they also break above 568. Today closing 570, and their next resistance is the 575 lah. Okay, so yeah, pretty bullish at the moment. G Ken. Josh Ken, nothing much. I see nothing yet. Yeah, you can see the average volumes. Recently, not much volumes. So, no volume, we cannot say anything yet. Lah. So, the only thing we can say is they are still in the sideways zone. So, yeah, nothing much. Nothing much on the Josh Cam. GDB. Let me see. Hit resistant 280. I expect they might come back down to test the support, probably or somewhere around 235, 230 level. GDB JCY. JCY, the movement is slow. Okay, you can see from 60 cents to this 25 cents. They took so many months. So, but they are still in the uptrending lah. So I think they are still fine. Okay, so long the price above 225, I think they are still okay. SNS cover ready, and we go for the Mohiba. Wow, another breakup. Okay, above 845. Okay, referring back to the resistance back in 2021. So maybe it's somewhere around here, 965. Okay, support, resistant. 965 to 1 ringgit is a R1, R2 to KIV. If you look for EP, I feel you are too late already lah, as the price pull up too much already. So you need to wait for the next correction only consider, otherwise don't take the risk lah. Okay, it's quite close to the resistance as well. So wait something like that. Okay, when they push out, you do nothing. Wait for them to smash down. Okay, only consider to EP. Otherwise, you taking up too much risk already. So I guess the next time when they have a strong sell somewhere around 845, 80 cents level, that would be a better level for us to enter lah. Okay, help tech covered already, so you need to scroll back lah. Okay, or come in earlier next time. Okay, otherwise, we keep repeating the same counters already. Okay, press star. Okay, we still can cover those haven't discussed one. Okay, press star just break above 2022 August resistance. So 460 resistance turn support. Okay, so long the price stay above 460, I think it's still all right. Okay, next resistance, take note 510. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, the overall momentum and volumes is still pretty okay lah. Okay, 440 is a last defense. Below 440, memang nothing to see already. Orgabio. Let me see, where's that? New counters back in 22. Okay, recently got volumes structure. Okay, good volumes back in 12th of March, 21st of March, and also today. Looks like this have a potential to turn around. Okay, so recently the price already above 20, 50, 100, 200 MAs. Moving averages all crossover. So I guess this is quite potential for them to from a downtrend turn into sideways, and now is more on the uptrending. So it's quite interesting. Okay, so long the closing price is above 275, I would say the overall structure is still healthy, and 10 on the next resistance 320, 320, 355. Okay, above 275, I would say I'm still positive lah. Okay, I'm still positive. So this is a potential one. You guys can put in the watch list lah. Or Gabio, okay. Something new. Okay, QES. Let me see. This is my trip plan. Okay, they didn't hit my EP. Okay, W they do supported by 575. Push out 2 days, today more neutral, and thin on the next resistance 625. Okay, 625, 650. Okay, so far so good. Okay, this counter is also okay. Okay, Pelican SG. Okay, Pelican. Let me see. Quick one. Pelican is still in the sideway. Take note on 230. Stay above is still okay. Then the resistance 29, sorry, 275, 290. SCGM. A gap up on 21st of March. Then market diam nothing much lah. Okay, looking for EP. These counters. Yeah, if they want to fill the gap, probably somewhere around 610 lah. So ideal level for me is somewhere around 60 cents and 610 level. Okay, more interested. Okay, MTech. Sorry. MTech. MACD is still okay. Recently got some volumes above 200 MA, so I guess it's still alright. Okay, so long these counters above 425, I think it's still okay. Okay, for MTech. Okay, GDB covered already. Shenzhen covered already. TM and Masses. TM is still okay lah, still in the uptrending. Okay, I'm not sure what you want, tapi the overall trend is still okay. Okay, so long the price above 580, I would say the trend is still good lah. Okay, they also testing 2021 resistance now, somewhere around 6 ringgit. Okay, TM is still alright. How about Masses? Oh, Masses disappointing. Okay, Masses at the moment they touch the support 338. Okay, which is a minor support back in 22 lah. Tapi I think the overall trend is still favor to the bear lah. Okay, for the Masses, you can see they sell, rebound, sell, rebound, sell, rebound. Okay, if they can rebound, maybe rebound to 350 level. Okay, the sell down is quite stiff lah. So for me, it's very bearish lah. Okay, in my opinion. Okay, R1 Tech. R1 Tech macam hit resistant kena strong sell already so no story already lah. Not sure what you want about R1 Tech, but for me, based on technical point of view, is not that nice. Probably their last defense is 355 lah. Below 355, memang not nice already. For me now is not that nice already. Okay, the chances of breaking down below 355 is quite high. Okay, Kobe also covered already. MKH. Let me see. Wow, suddenly got volumes. Okay, MKH. Okay, they have a gap down back in February, sideways. Today, high volume pump out above 135. So if they want to fill the gap, probably they might go to 146 level lah. Okay, if fail to stay above 135, they may continue sideways. Okay, Franken SCG. Okay, SCG Berhad we cover already. So Franken still healthy. Okay, a little bit topish based on the technical, based on the MACD point of view lah. Okay, tapi if just based on the chart point of view, I think it's still okay. Oh, take note Let me see. Okay, quite similar story. Okay, you can see here. Oh, so you can agak know the top. It is somewhere around 4 ringgit to 410. Okay, so here also, macam not really able to go through. Okay, so subject to market sentiment for me is okay, they are still bullish, they are still uptrend, tapi a little bit topish lah. So you need to take note. Okay, if lucky they can go to 4 ringgit 410 level, you need to take some profit already lah. Okay, at the moment maybe we can put a trading stop at 380. Stay above is still alright. Okay, still got time to review master pack. TP, any mid long term target price. Let me see. Master pack. Oh, this one. Okay. Oh, this one memang bullish. So far, they are still above 20, 50, 100, 200 MAs. So means short term, mid term, long term, they are still bullish. Okay, so their next resistance, I would say somewhere around 394. If not mistaken, last time we used the Fibonacci to do a projection. Okay, so I think it's still fine. So maybe we can set a trading stop at a 350 level. Okay, so long the price above 350, I think overall is still pretty good lah. Okay, if you don't know how to see the chart, maybe you can just put 20 MA, 50 MA, and 100 MAs and 200 MAs. So probably we can use 100 MAs as a guideline lah. Okay, but I would say, yeah, even they have a strong sell, 200 MA is still supported very well. Okay, so far I think it's still okay lah, discounters. Okay, at the moment maybe I set 350 first lah. Above 350, I think nothing to worry. Okay, so S metric hold on, let me see. Already got discounters Super penny Okay, recently got volumes 21st, 25th, 26th. Okay, today also got volumes. So looks like the penny power is there. Okay, they break above 160. Tapi you also need to take note on. Oh, 20 cents. Okay, was a support, turn into resistance as you can see back in 2020, 2021, 2021. They are unable to go through 20 cents. Okay, take note this level is your hard resistance. Okay, 20 cents. Okay, even though you can see on 25th, 26th, they have a huge volume at 20 cents level. So probably someone will take profit lah. Tapi if they want to continue to play the game, the price need to stay above 170. Okay, stay above 170, game is still on. Tapi if they break below, memang no good already. Okay, last two no voice already. Astino. Okay, Astino, I think is still alright. Okay, so they retest support 585. Okay, resistance 585, turn support. So I think it's still okay. Discounters, okay, still have potential lah. Trend is still up. Okay, trend is still up, but take note on previous extreme level, which is at 640. Okay, take note on this level. This is your resistance, immediate resistance. Okay, otherwise, so long they are above 580, I think it's still alright. Okay, last one is USMA. Okay, USMA is still in the uptrending mode. Wow, since last review was somewhere around here, they already hit all the TP. Okay, if we zoom out, okay, we need to refer back to 2018 resistance. 137. Okay, 137, 150. Okay, so we come back. Okay, so far the trend is still above 20, 50, 100 MAs, 200 MAs also included. Okay, MACD looks a little bit weak, tapi it's still okay lah. So long the price is still above. Yeah, I need to delete all the lines. All lines. Wow, follow up so many years already, this one. Okay, most importantly, USMA cannot break below 110. Okay, below 110, memang not nice already. Above 110, I think still okay. And your immediate support, 125. Okay, immediate support, 125. Immediate resistance, 138, then 150. And below 110, memang not nice already. Will turn into downtrend. Okay, so yeah, we today finally finish until 10 p.m. Okay, thank you everyone for your time. And if you're yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot it now. Okay, and also thank you, Sifu, for having me here. So if you're yet to download Sifu apps, okay, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and they do have a interactive live chat. Okay, so if for those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to them. And also thank you everyone for your time. And also please help us to click like and share. And also see you on coming Wednesday. Okay, 8:30. Okay, so thank you everyone and see you again.